everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's high winds and a lot of rain today, but no snow. It was predicted to have snow, but we haven't seen it yet, so we'll see what happens. I have an unboxing today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Came in a bag like this. Got my blade. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, because when I reach 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And if you refer someone and they become a subscriber, let me know and you'll get an extra entry. Make sure that you like all the videos that you watch, and make sure that you ring the bell. It's all very important. Alright, let's see if we can get it open here. Yeah, I think this is Chanel from the 2020 holiday collection. Have you guys got anything from the collection? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so that's the bag. And let's see here. Comes in a box like that. Yep, this is Chanel. Looks like that. And then you get a little card. Then you get your receipt or the bigger card like this. And then the box is like that, basically. Alright, let's go ahead and unwrap the ribbon. Yes, they had some pretty cool colors this year. Last year was a little strange, but this year they had some pretty nice colors. So, alright, so I got a couple of samples. They come in these little pouches, which are nice. These you can use for other things. So I got Coco Mademoiselle. That smells good. And they also had Chanel No. 5, which is one of my favorites. Okay, so those are great for traveling too, or if you have like a small purse, you can put those in there. So it works out pretty good. Alright, so I got the blush, which comes in a package like that. And I got some lipstick, and I'll show you what they look like. That's the packaging. And they give you a whole bunch of confetti. Alright, and then I also got this one too. This is the color Blanc, and I'll get my glasses on so I can see what the numbers are. Alright, the eyeshadow is 926 or Blanc, and that's what that looks like. And I'll open it up. And this,
you want this box?
Just recycle is good. And this is the blush powder. And let's see if it has a number on it. It probably does. And I'll open that up. And this one is the Rouge Lower. And this one is in the 127. And this one is a pretty cool color Too bad they're limited edition, because they go like this. They pop up. You can push it down like that, pop it up, bring it out. And that's the color. Really nice. Okay. So that's the lipstick. Alright, the blush is pretty big. Probably lasts forever. You know it's expensive when makeup has its own dust cover. So there you go. That's a Chanel dust cover for makeup. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, I won't blind you with the mirror. And it comes with a little kabuki brush, which is pretty cool. And let's see how this goes. Okay, so if you get this blush, it's a little tricky to get the blush out. See, here's the color, which is really pretty. This is the cover, not like trying to get this part to come up. This is actually the cover, so it's like this, basically. And then this is the brush on top. All right. So yeah, that's the way you get into the blush. All right, so that's pretty cool. And let's take a look real quick at what the eyeshadow looks like. And you get a lot too. I mean, they're kind of expensive, but it's Chanel for one thing. But you do get a lot of product, so. And they're really pretty. All right, so this one has its own dust cover as well. And then you just go like that. All right, this has a cover on it as well. And it's kind of a beigey color. So that's gonna look really good. And then you get a little applicator with it. All right, so that's my Chanel Holiday 2020. And like I said, let me know if you got any from the collection, what you got, how you like it, in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.